Listen, y'all, there ain't nothing better than a good wood-fired calzone, and that's what we're going to do today. Guys, we're going to put a sausage and pepperoni calzone on that wood-fired grill. You ain't going to want to miss this one. You're going to want to stick around all the way to the end, right? In fact, you're going to want a thumbs up, probably want to subscribe, right? You know, do all that good YouTube stuff. All right, let's go ahead and get this thing started. Now, we are cheating with the calzone dough. That's right. We got the homemade pizza crust from my Uncle Pillsbury. Hey, we kind of look alike. We got the belly. See? It's like uncanny resemblance. Oh, we're gonna use this bad boy right here. We're gonna pop it open, roll it out, get it on that wood fire, okay? I got some sausage, I got a little mini pepperonis, right? A little sauce, a little mozz, and I like black olives, okay? So I know there are a lot of black olive haters out there. If you don't want black olives in your calzone, don't put black olives in your calzone. All right. Now the level up at the end, we're gonna brush it with a little Mike's hot honey butter, which is basically butter that we're gonna microwave with a little Mike's hot honey in it. Brush it over the top, add a little sweet heat on the top. Ah, I can't wait. Let's go. We're gonna use Bear Mountain pellets. Use whatever food safe pellets you like, but that's what we're gonna grab. Nothing too crazy about it, right? Let's go fire it up. Let's go. All right, let's turn this bad boy on. Hello, how are you doing? We have it on the grill setting, even though we're using the griddle plate. I'm gonna turn it to medium. I'm gonna do the time. Let's put 30 minutes on the clock. It won't need that much time, but I just wanna make sure we're good. The wood fire flavor button's on. Go ahead and hit start. All right, time to get started with this. Taking the pie stuff out of there. Listen, it never pops when you're taking that paper off. Just gotta give it a little helping hand, right? I got a little cornmeal out on here, just to help it so it doesn't stick. I'm gonna go ahead and get my rolling pin out because I can never stretch it good enough with my hands. Listen guys, it does not have to be perfect. Just get it worked in. Let's get a little pizza sauce in there. Not a ton, just enough to get that flavor. Get our sausage on. Put as little or as a lot as you like. It's up to you. A full of little mini pepperonis. My black olives. Again, if you don't like it, don't look at it. Don't add black olives if you don't want black olives. Last but not least, about a cup of cheese in there. All right, let's try to fold this bad boy up. There's no try, there's only do, CJ. All right, then we're gonna roll it on itself. Pinch, press, pinch, press. You just wanna seal it in so it doesn't leak out. And I am not the best at this, so, you know, don't at me in the comments. This is going to look horrible. I'm not a professional calzone maker. I only play one on TV. All right, as good as it's gonna get. Let's go get it on the wood fire. It says it's ready to add the food. So that's what we're gonna do. First thing we're gonna do is go a little olive oil on the bottom here. Just to help kind of crisp up the bottom. We got our calzone here. I have it on some cornmeal, but I'm still afraid it's sticking. So we're gonna take this nice and slow, give it a little love. We're sizzling a little bit, that's okay. We're gonna have that nice sizzling crust. Turn this around for everybody to see. All right, we already got a little leakage here. It is what it is. All right. Shut this down. I know this doesn't look like your traditional calzone. I did not do well here. I bet there's gonna be a blowout or two, but in the end, it'll taste just fine. Hopefully. All right, let's shut it down. We're gonna check on this in about 2, 3, 4 minutes. Just keep an eye on it, okay? All right, guys, we're making a little pivot on this one, all right? Listen, I show you a lot of wins on my wood fire, and you know, this one is not quite a win yet, okay? But we're gonna get there, all right? It's been a couple minutes. I decided to take a look at it, and with the griddle already so fired up, we're getting a lot of darkness on the bottom. Not burnt yet, but it's definitely getting that heavy duty golden brown. You gotta scrap that idea of using the griddle plate or the grill plate, at least using the grill setting, okay? What we're going to do differently, we've taken the calzone off, turned off the wood fire. I'm gonna turn it to the bake setting. Use the wood fire flavor button, so we're getting that good wood fire flavor, right? But this way the heat will be coming from the top. Listen, the bottom's already cooked, really, basically. You know, we got that good golden brown on the bottom. But now it's time we, get that top done, right? So, listen, sometimes there aren't winners. It's the first calzone I put on this thing. So I should have thought about it a little bit more. But that's okay. Ingredients and prep down below on how to do it the correct way without, you know, using the griddle setting, okay? Or the grill setting. But hey, give me some props in the chat for admitting I could have done through the magic of television and you would have known, but I'm telling you what I did here. All right, let's get this thing on the bake mode. All right, come on back. Let's turn this bad boy on. We're gonna do the mode, bake mode, 400 degrees time. Let's just take that down to 30 minutes, even though it's not gonna take that long, okay? All right, bake, wood fire flavor button. Let's hit start. All right, let it go through the ignition process. We'll get the calzone back on. All right, y'all, let's try this again. Whew. We'll check on it. You know, I think we're gonna check on it every minute or so just to make sure. I just checked on it. Between the first go around and the second go around, we're probably about 15 minutes, which is about what is called for on the pizza dough package. So I'm gonna call this one. Before I start putting butter on it, let's look at the bottom. So golden brown, yep, definitely, but not horrible, right? It's gonna be nice and crispy, crunchy. So let's go ahead and get this hot honey butter on. I'm keeping this to dip a little bit in. Get this off here and we'll chop into it. One thing I forgot to mention is I cut 3 slits in the top here. Just use the sharp knife, right? Let that steam out. So let's chop into it. All right, there's our inside, looking nice. Let's take a bite. Look at that, guys. What do you know about that? Oh my gosh. Dough is cooked all the way through, even in those thick crimping spots I did half-assed. Guys, it's time to take a bite. What do you say? Cheers, y'all. Oh yeah, bub. Well, I use the apron today. I didn't bring a towel out with me. Besides all those good fillings in there, I mean, it's pizza fillings. You gotta love it, right? The dough is great, even though it's store-bought, right? I'm good with it. I grew up on it. But you're definitely getting that wood fire flavor. As if you hear traffic go by, usually I just let the car go by and just, you know, cut it out. But churches, we got a church around the corner. It just let out, so you're gonna hear maybe you may hear cars go by. I can't keep pausing every time it goes. It's like a freaking caravan going through there. Anyway, guys, this was great. Learn from my mistakes. Like I said, I'll set it up all down below for you, but it's pretty darn easy, okay? Especially if you got everything kind of pre-made and ready to go. It's definitely a great weeknight dinner. You know, this probably got 3 or 4 servings on there. I'll work on my calzone crimping game here, but you know, at least it's done. Turned out really well. Guys, if you want to get one of these Woodfire grills, grab that link down below in my video description. Guys, don't forget, I got 4 Woodfire cookbooks. They're e-cookbooks. They're downloadable. $5 each or $15 for a bundle of 4. They've gotten great reviews so far. You all love them. But if you haven't got one yet, go ahead and get yourself one. All right, we've sold a bunch of copies already. And let's just keep it going. Helps out your boy, helps out the channel, and I appreciate y'all. Guys, if you want to become a show producer like all these awesome calzone-loving people that are scrolling in front of me right now, there's 2 ways to join up. Either you hit the Patreon button in my video description, or you can hit that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should already hit by now. I love it when church lets out and cars go by and ruin my shots. That's what Jesus would have wanted. All right, guys. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.